Say hello, everybody. As you guys know, this is the time for
Nickelodeon box.
the Nickelodeon box.
This one is a new one on the game.
This one's a new one. This is the spring box, and this is actually, hold on, this is the actual last box that I'm getting. I just signed up to get a year subscription just to try it, live through my memories.
Look.
But I ended up, I'm going to cancel it after I open this box up. But as you guys see, it looks like it's like a sewer thing. And then we got Stickly. And it says the Nick box capsule. Do not open until 2019. It has, you know, what Ren and Stimpy, Arnold, and I can't remember what Arnold's friend's name is. Cat Dog, the Beavers. So we're just gonna open it up and see what we have.
I want to see if they have Hot Wheels.
You want to see if they have Hot Wheels?
Yeah.
So here is what is inside.
Whoa.
So
Whoa!
Hold on, Ben.
Whoa!
So here they always give you a card what's in it, but we're not gonna look at it.
Whoa!
Ben, show him. Show it.
Whoa, that was so cool.
Show it to him. So we got a vinyl.
Open it.
Okay, so we got a vinyl figurine of the Real Monsters, and I actually really like this. This is cool.
Let's open it. I'll be so happy because.
Okay, show everybody.
Look, everybody. They're in the toilet.
Show everybody. So it's like a little figurines in a toilet. You got Crumb, Ickis, and Oblina. That is so cool. I mean, I like it. I like it. I don't know why, but I just like it. This is so cool. They always give you a vinyl figurine, which I think is kind of cool. So Ben's already helping himself. So here we got Legends of the Hidden Temple.
I want to open it.
Team Animal Coasters.
I want to open it.
Okay, just hold on, honey. I'm going to show him the box. And then we're going to open inside. He loves Nickelodeon, not as much as I did, but...
Whoa, that's so cool.
Then they give you, like, these coasters, you know, of their game. I haven't watched Legends in forever, so it was okay to watch. It was okay to watch, but wasn't a huge fan of it. I don't care to get some of their collectibles, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, hold on, Benny. Just give me 1 second to put this stuff away. Okay, show them what you got. So this is something cool. It is a slap bracelet. It says the Nick box, and it has all the characters on here. Can you just like wait? Okay, hold on. Ready? Watch this.
Oh,
it's a bracelet. Those were really cool when we were kids. Slap bracelets were awesome when we were kids. I don't know why this is not working very well. Probably because it's still in the plastic. Let's take it out. This is something I would actually play with. Another thing you guys can use this for is, hold on, honey. Another thing you can use this for is Christmas wrapping paper. Okay, ready? Woo! Look at that.
I don't want any more.
You don't want any more?
No, it hurts me.
Oh, it hurts you? Okay, so here, hold on, honey.
No, I don't want
just
this
let me
one.
show these guys this. So now we got a fanny pack that says Clarissa Explains It All. Ben, just hold. Okay, he's just really excited to be doing this. Let me finish showing them. So here we got a fanny pack, which I actually like. I like this design. It is from Clarissa Explains It All. I love the colors. It's actually a pretty good fanny pack. But you got, you know, a good sized compartment in here. And then you got another compartment here. And another compartment here. So, and you can kind of see right through it. So that's what I like. But nice little fanny pack. Ben is... I love this. I love this. Okay, now he wants to open this one. So this is another Legend of the Hidden Temple. It's a pint glass. Hold on, honey. Just wait. I guess we drink out of it. I'm not a big fan of this show. I wish they'd show a little bit more. I mean, we already got one thing of Legends of the Hidden Temple, but it says eyes change color. I don't know. It's not the greatest. I think this quality is kind of dumb. I mean, the glass is just filthy right now. Not a big fan of the glass. I mean, we'll drink out of it because we do drink out of pint glasses, but it's okay. It's okay. I think the vinyl thing. Here's the t-shirt. Please be a oh, sweet. Okay, I finally got a shirt the first time that I actually like. It is a long sleeve shirt, which is kind of cool. And it has Stickly on it. And it's on stage. And this is when he sings, "Write to me, Stickly, P.O. Box 963, New York City, New York State, 10108. Yeah, I still remember that from 1996. But that is cool. I actually like this. It's a shirt that I'll fit and I'll actually wear. So this is the first shirt I've gotten from the Nickelodeon box. Yep. First shirt that I got from the Nickelodeon box that I actually really like, and it's a heavy material. Here we got a keychain that says Guts on it. And it's like their trophy that they win on the show. It's okay. It's okay. And then we got a pin from Double Dare, you know, where you pick the slime boogers out of the nose. It's called Pick It. But other than that, that's all I got from the Nick box. Yeah, that's poison, honey. I do like what I got, but I guess there was like the game show theme here, but I could care less about the coasters, and this glass is just filthy. I mean, it's just dirty. It's ridiculous. And then you could see where they put like a label on it, and it's not even straight, like when they put this on here. So I could have a feeling this is going to come off right away. But my favorite things that I did get that I actually like is the toilet vinyl figurine. I really like that. That's kind of cool. And I can't even remember the price for this, you guys. I like the slap bracelet. I probably would wear this, you know, if I feel like wearing a slap bracelet. But I'll probably use it to like wrap things in, like my wrapping paper and all that stuff. The fanny pack I could actually use. I would actually use this. This is something that's pretty easy, and they're coming back in style. But I really like the shirt. The shirt is a good quality. I can't wear it right now because I am like almost 9 months pregnant, but I really like the shirt. So that is everything that I got for the Nick box. If you guys enjoy this box, you guys can also subscribe to this box, but I am canceling it after this. I like it. I just haven't had that much good stuff. I feel like it's not really worth the money. I mean, yes, it lets you live through your childhood, but I feel like they need to have a little bit more variety of stuff instead of repeating the same things, especially like the Legends. Like, it was a good show, but still not my type of thing. But I want to say thank you guys for watching, and what do you say? Give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you guys all later. Thanks for. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.